So our reporting is also set up and ready. And now let me just show you a quick demonstration. How does it look like? Also, we want to create a simple demo test to make sure we have set up everything correctly. This is also a very good approach, especially when you are building a new project. Always try to create just a simple tests and always try to run them to make sure that your configuration and your setup is always correct. And if not, you have it very easy to actually fix because you didn't do much. It's much better than write the complete framework and then start it to find the mistakes. So let me close the index. And here in the integrations, I'm gonna create a new file and I'm gonna name it demo.spec.ts. And as you can see, we are already using TypeScript. So right now I'm gonna create a simple describe and let's name it demo test. Here I'm gonna create a test step and I'm gonna give it a description. Should visit a website. And here I'm just gonna call site.visit and I want to visit the example website. Just like this. And if we have done everything correctly, everything should work even when we are using the TypeScript. So let's open terminal, npx cypress open. And you should see our demo spec here. And now if you run it, you can see that our test is successful. We have successfully navigated to this example website. Well, this is a very good sign. It means that our configuration is properly set up and we are now free to type the tests and actually write everything using TypeScript instead of JavaScript. And also, as you can see, our tsconfig errors just appear. Disappear, not appear. And well, what next? We should also test out that we have Mocha Awesome Reporter integrated properly, and to actually run the tests and generating report, you need to use npx cypress run instead of cypress open and use it via UI. So if you now run the test using npx cypress run, it will run the test and it will also generate the HTML report for us, which we can then open in browser and see. So as you can see, we have all spec passed, and now you can see that there is also a create HTML report and that the report has been created successfully. And now if you take a look to the root of the project, you can see that there is a report directory automatically created, and under that we have these assets and this index.html. And now if you actually open your browser, so let me open the browser window. And now I'm gonna simply open it with live server. So I have it in my second window, so let me just put it here on the first monitor. And now you can see I have our Mocha Awesome Reporter report visible with all the steps which we have done. And in our case, it's just a simple demo test. But this is a great demonstration that everything is working correctly. So again, so far we have implemented TypeScript and we have also implemented Mocha Awesome Reporter into our Cypress project. And we have tried everything out and we did make sure that everything is working correctly. So we are now ready to generate Mocha Awesome reports from our tests, and also we are able to use TypeScript to create our tests. But the biggest power of TypeScript comes in the later videos, when I show you how you can actually create a JS docs, which will basically allows you to write the definitions for your custom Cypress commands, and also how to autocomplete your custom Cypress functions, which is also a very cool feature, which is only available if you are using TypeScript. And also we will take a look at how to structure our app actions, how to create custom commands, how to put everything together, why is it better than using page objects, and much more examples. And at the end, we will have a fully functional TypeScript with app actions project. So that's all for demo, and let's move on to the next topic in the next video.